Why won't it print? The Wi-Fi signal is so weak. Ugh, still nothing.
Are you stuck without Wi-Fi or dealing with a weak router signal but still need to print urgently? Don't worry. Your printer can actually create its own wireless network. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Canon Pixma printer directly to your phone or a laptop using wireless direct mode. No router, no internet, just instant printing anywhere. Wireless direct mode is a built-in feature from Canon Inc. that allows your printer to act like a mini Wi-Fi hotspot. This means your phone, tablet, or laptop can connect directly to the printer without using a router or internet connection. It's perfect for travel, remote work, or emergency printing. Let's enable wireless direct on your Canon Pixma printer. First, turn on your printer. Next, locate the wireless or Wi-Fi button on the printer panel. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the wireless indicator light starts flashing. Once the light becomes stable, wireless direct mode is successfully activated. Now open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Look for a network name that starts with the direct followed by Canon. Tap to connect to this network. Enter the password shown on your printer screen or print it on the network information sheet. Once connected, your device is now directly linked to the printer. Open any document, image, or file you want to print. Tap the Share or Print option and select your Canon printer from the list. Press Print, and your document will start printing instantly through the wireless direct connection. If your device is not connecting, try restarting the printer and reconnecting. Make sure you are within 10 meters of the printer. Also, disconnect other Wi-Fi networks on your device before connecting again. Wireless direct is perfect when your router isn't working or when you need portable printing anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart printer guides and tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you want advanced printing tips.